Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mel Ewell. I'm the Chief Executive of Amey, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all here tonight. And it's a very sincere thank you in the bad weather for everyone coming out tonight to join us at the opening of our fantastic new premises here. So as I say, very delighted to welcome you all here tonight to our International Design Hub. I hope you do take the opportunity later on to have a look around. We've got the floors 4 and 5. Floor 5 here is very nearly finished, but just about in a fit state to have a look around. And we hope to move in the next week or two and actually start bringing people into the building. So there is an opportunity to pop down to the 5th floor and have a little tour around and see what the new Amey facilities here are going to look like in a week or two's time. We have a great group of people here tonight, and again, thank you very much indeed for coming. We have a number of prospective parliamentary candidates, we have councillors, local business people and associations, young people, graduates and apprentices. We equally have our charity here tonight, which is the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, and I think very appropriate that they're here tonight to support the young people. And of course a number of colleagues from Amey and Ferrovial, and a number of people here from Ferrovial, and again, thank them very much indeed for coming over from Spain today to be here at this opening. So please do take the opportunity, if you can, over the next half an hour or so, just to meet with as many of the fine people that are here tonight as you can. This opening brings to conclusion a really good year for Amey. We've seen around a 40% increase in the headcount that we employ in our organisation, and that will take us round to about 12,000 people early into next year. Our consulting capability, which is the hub that we're opening up here, has also seen really significant growth. This year alone we've increased our headcount by 66%, and we've been shoehorning them into a number of offices around a number of locations. But this building is really testament to that growth and will be the main centre of our international design capability here in Birmingham. Amey's extremely proud of our strong history in Birmingham. In 2006, we acquired a local engineering organisation called Owen Williams. That organisation was responsible, not always quite sure you own up to these things, but was certainly responsible for the design of Spaghetti Junction, the M6 toll, and of course now 50 years on in terms of the anniversary of the M1, Owen Williams was very materially engaged in the design of the M1, which of course is so important equally for Birmingham. The Owen Williams employees are now fully integrated into Amey, and today many of them are here with us this evening. So again, if you get the opportunity to talk to a number of our colleagues here that have experienced the transition from Owen Williams into the Amey Group, I think it's a very positive story to be told. Today, ladies and gentlemen, Amey is working on a number of major projects around the city. We are involved in the management and maintenance of the motorways, the technology on those motorways, the rail renewal schemes and rail structures business, the new street station information systems, Centro transport projects such as Halsowen Bus Station. We have 47 sites with the Birmingham and Solihull Mental Health Trust, Walsall Birmingham street lighting, and as I'm sure many of you will know, we were absolutely delighted recently to be announced preferred bidder on the major Birmingham Highways PFI. When you add all that together, it means that every citizen in Birmingham and the West Midlands will come into contact with an Amey service every single day. That's something I think we just need to hold on to for a moment. Every single citizen in Birmingham will touch one of our services, which is why it is so important that in terms of understanding what we do as a company, which is to help deliver services to the public, that we work very closely with all of our stakeholders to make sure that the services that we offer to the public are absolutely exemplary. We are therefore very proud indeed today to be opening the hub, not only because of the density of work that we have in this region, but more importantly because Birmingham offers a really high-skilled workforce and is absolutely a centre of excellence for engineering. I think a real testament to the success of our end-to-end model is coming to fruition here. The ability for Amey to design and then take right the way through to managing and maintaining assets is a real step forward for our organisation. Out of this hub, we'll be servicing contracts in the region. I've already mentioned some of those, but also projects all around the UK and indeed internationally. I mentioned earlier on that we have some friends and colleagues here from our parent company, Ferrovial, and through Ferrovial we will be getting access into a number of international projects which will be managed out of this office. One of the proudest moments of this project which originated back in the start of this year. We were over in Nippon with a number of our friends and colleagues here. Certainly Mike Whitby was with us across in the Mippim show, and we were talking then about opening this office. And we were talking about recruiting 500 additional jobs to come to this site over the next few years. 250 are already recruited and will be moving into this office shortly, and we will be recruiting a further 250 to move to this office over the next few years. These are highly skilled technical roles, and this will bring Amey in the region close by this time next year to employing around 2,000 people here in Birmingham. The investment in young people is something that we take very seriously indeed. And here tonight, as I said earlier on, we have our corporate charity, the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, with us. And we also have some of our graduates and apprentices, and I'm delighted they are here with us tonight. Investment in young people is an extremely serious thing for us. And as a business, we feel very fortunate that we are in a position where we can support young people going forward, and we want to put something back into the communities in which we work. Certainly we want to put something back, an investment into the engineering industry. Therefore tonight we are delighted to announce the launch of the Amey Technical Apprenticeship Programme that will operate out of this building. We will be looking to recruit new technical apprentices over the next 12 months that can learn from working in this facility and build international expertise out of this building. The apprenticeship programme will be managed in conjunction with the Institute of Civil Engineers, and we look forward to creating the best engineers for the future here in Birmingham. We are delighted tonight that Councillor Whitby is here with us, and his team have been fundamental in the role of supporting our vision for this venture and for the future, and I'm delighted again that he can be with us here tonight, and I'll just ask him if he can just make a few words.